Hello children, hope everyone is doing good, practicing maths very well. Today I am here with quadratic equations, very important questions. Let's begin with them. Question 1. If x minus a is one of the factors of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then one of the roots of the polynomial is. The answer is C, a. Question 2. Which of the following are the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 9x plus 20 is equal to 0 by factorization? The options are given as 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 and 6, 7. Let's factorize. X square minus 9x plus 20 is equal to 0. The factors are minus 4 and minus 5. Hence, x square minus 4x minus 5x plus 20 is equal to 0. When I take x as common, x into x minus 4 minus 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 4 is common here. So x minus 4 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4 and x is equal to 5. Hence, the solution is B, which is 4, 5. Question 3. X square plus 1 whole square minus x square is equal to 0 has option A 4 real roots, option B 2 real roots, option C no real roots, option D 1 real root. Let's check. X square plus 1 whole square minus x square is equal to 0. Let me expand this. So it becomes x to the power of 4 plus 2 into x square into 1 plus 1 square minus x square is equal to 0. So I get x to the power of 4 plus 2x square plus 1 minus x square is equal to 0. When I simplify it, I get x to the power of 4 plus 2 minus 1. It is plus 1x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Let x square is equal to y. Then we get an equation y square plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. D is equal to discriminant b square minus 4ac. Hence I get D as minus 3. D is less than 0. Hence it has no real roots. The solution is C, no real roots. Question 4. If the difference of the roots of the equation x square minus bx plus c is equal to 0 be 1, then option A b square minus 4c plus 1 is equal to 0, option B b square plus 4c is equal to 0, option C b square minus 4c minus 1 is equal to 0, option D b square minus 4c is equal to 0. Let's check. Alpha minus beta is equal to 1 is given. Let's apply this formula. Alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. From this equation, alpha plus beta is equal to minus of minus b by 1, which is equal to b. Alpha beta is equal to c by 1, which is equal to c. Hence, by solving we get 1 square is equal to b square minus 4c. Hence we have b square minus 4c minus 1 is equal to 0. The solution is b square minus 4c minus c is equal to 0. Option C. Question 5. What are the roots of 3x square is equal to 6x? Option A only 2, B only 3, C 0 and 6, D 0 and 2. Let me factorize. 3x square minus 6x is equal to 0. 3x is common. 3x into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here 3x is equal to 0, hence x is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0, hence x is equal to 2. Hence the solution is D option which is 0 and 2. Question 6. If 2 is the root of the equation x square plus bx plus 12 is equal to 0, then find the value of b. X square plus bx plus 12 is equal to 0. If 2 is the root of the equation, then p of 2 should be equal to 0. Then 2 square plus b into 2 plus 12 is equal to 0. 4 plus 2b plus 12 is equal to 0. 2b plus 16 is equal to 0. b is equal to minus 16 by 2, which is equal to minus 8. Question 7. A train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Form the quadratic equation and find the speed of the train. Let the speed of the train be x kilometers per hour. The condition 1 is given here is the distance traveled is 360 kilometers. The speed we have assumed as x kilometers per hour. Then the time becomes 360 by x hours. Come to the condition 2. Distance traveled is the same, that is 360 kilometers. Speed is increased by 5 kilometers per hour, that is x plus 5 kilometers per hour. The time taken will be 360 by x plus 5 hours. Since T1 is greater than T2, we have 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 is equal to 1. Let me take 360 as common. I get 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1. When I take the LCM, I get 360 into x plus 5 minus x divided by x into x plus 5 is equal to 1. Hence, 5 by x into x plus 5 is equal to 1 divided by 360. Let me take this 360 on the RHS side. Now, after cross multiplying, we get x square plus 5x is equal to 1800. X square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Let me factorize it. The factors, we will get it as x square plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 is equal to 0. When I take x as common, x into x plus 45 minus 40 into x plus 45 is equal to 0. So, x plus 45 into x minus 40 is equal to 0. Hence, x is equal to minus 45. It is rejected because speed cannot be negative. And x is equal to 40. This value is accepted. Hence, the speed of the given train is 40 kilometers per hour. Question 8. The product of two consecutive even integers is 528. Represent the situation in the form of a quadratic equation and solve. Let the integers be x and x plus 2. The product x into x plus 2 is equal to 528. X square plus 2x minus 528 is equal to 0. The factors are plus 24 and minus 22. Hence we get x square plus 24x minus 22x minus 528 is equal to 0. X into x plus 24 minus 22 into x plus 24 is equal to 0. I get x plus 24 into x minus 22 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 24 or x is equal to plus 22. When the integers can be positive or negative also. Hence the positive integers are 22 and 24 or the negative integers are minus 24 and minus 22. Question 9. Solve root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to root 3, which is coefficient of x square, b is equal to 10, coefficient of x, c the constant, which is 7 root 3. Let me use the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root d by 2a. Hence, d is equal to b square minus 4ac, the discriminant, which is 10 square minus 4 into root 3 into 7 root 3. which we get it as 16. Root d is equal to plus or minus 4. When we substitute the values, we get it like this. X is equal to minus 10 plus or minus 4 whole divided by 2 root 3. X is equal to minus 10 plus 4 by 2 root 3, or x is equal to minus 10 minus 4 by 2 root 3. X is equal to minus 6 by 2 root 3, or x is equal to minus 14 by 2 root 3. X is equal to minus 3 by root 3, or x is equal to minus 7 by root 3. When I multiply root 3 and divide by root 3, I get it as x is equal to minus 3 root 3 by 3, x is equal to minus 7 root 3 by 3. Ultimately, the answer is x is equal to minus root 3, or x is equal to minus 7 root 3 by 3. Now coming to A and R questions. Assertion. If A and B are integers and roots of x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0 are rational, then they must be integers. Roots are rational, then A and B, the coefficient of x square and x, will be integers. Reason. If the coefficient of x square in a quadratic equation is unity, then its roots must be integers. Let's check. If the roots are rational, then let x is equal to p by q, where p and q are coprimes and q is not equal to 0, the definition of rational number. Then p by q whole square plus a into p by q plus b is equal to 0. P square by q square plus ap by q is plus b is equal to 0. Let me take q square as LCM and send q square onto the other side. Hence q square into 0 becomes 0. So we get p square plus apq plus bq square is equal to 0. Hence p square is equal to minus apq minus bq square. Let me take minus q as common. I get minus q into ap plus bq. This implies q divides p square. P and Q are coprimes as we have assumed, and Q divides P square if Q is equal to plus or minus 1. Then the root x is equal to P by Q simplifies to be an integer. Hence, assertion is true. Coming to the reason, let it be x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. D becomes minus 3 and x becomes minus 1 plus or minus root minus 3 by 2. They are imaginary roots. Hence, reason is false. Case-based question. Raj and Ajay are very close friends. Both the families decided to go to Ranikhat by their own cars. Raj's car travels at a speed of x kilometers per hour, while Ajay's car travels 5 kilometers per hour faster than Raj's car. Raj took 4 hours more than Ajay to complete the journey of 400 kilometers. The questions are: what will be the distance covered by Ajay's car in 2 hours? Second one, write a quadratic equation to determine the speed of Raj's car. Third one, what is the speed of Raj's car? Fourth one, how much time Ajay took to travel 400 kilometers? The solution is as follows. Let the speed of Raj's car be x kilometers per hour. Ajay's car will be x plus 5 kilometers per hour. We know that time is equal to distance by speed. The time taken by Raj's car is equal to 400 by x hours, and Ajay's car is 400 by x plus 5 hours. Now he says the difference between these two timings is 4. Hence 400 by x minus 400 by x plus 5 is equal to 4. Let me take 400 as common. I get 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 4. I get x plus 5 minus x by x into x plus 5 is equal to 4 by 400. Hence, the quadratic equation we get it as x square plus 5x minus 500 is equal to 0. The factors are plus 25 and minus 20. x square plus 25x minus 20x minus 500 is equal to 0. When I take x as common, I get x into x plus 525 minus 20 into x plus 25 is equal to 0. X minus 20 into x plus 25 is equal to 0. Hence, x is equal to 20 or x is equal to minus 25. Since it is negative, it is rejected. Speed cannot be negative. The solution for the first answer is speed of Ajay's car is 25 kilometers per hour. Distance will be speed into time, which is 25 into 2, which is 50 kilometers. The quadratic equation for the second answer is x square plus 5x minus 500 is equal to 0. The speed of the Raj's car is 20 kilometers per hour. The time taken by the Ajay's car is 400 by 25, which is 6 hours. These questions definitely will help you in your exams if you practice them well. Please like, share and subscribe these videos with your friends also. Bye. Have a good day.